Hey everyone, T.F.D back here, and in this video, we're going to take this gauge cluster out of this caravan here and swap it to a digital one. Now, I'm not sure if it's a plug and play, which it should be, but there is a BCM under this panel that's located right under here. That I might have to get a Town 94 or 95 Town and Country BCM if it doesn't work. But to first start off, we're going to take this panel and let's see, I think this upper panel up here off. All this along here unsnaps. It just plugs right in. So let's get to work. I don't have a tripod with me this time, but we're just going to try this. So this is gonna be fun. Let me get something. So next shot, we'll be hopefully taking this apart. All right, so this really just unclips. But I'm going to suggest for you guys to be careful because it will possibly break. So let's see. Oh, just like this did right there. Luckily you can't see it. But the next thing I'm guessing is going to have to go. It's got a little bit of discoloration or something there. This is gonna have to go at some point. Let's see if I can get it actually. I was using a rag for the other stuff. Okay, see, it's gonna continue to break. So I'm just gonna do this one piece at a time, okay? So next, I'm gonna be taking this out. It should just snap out. I'll be back to you guys again when I get this out. So what I'm gonna do, I'll have to look at the messages and see whether this has to, I think, either, excuse me, if this has to come out or if this has to come out next. I'll let you guys know. Okay, quick update. There is screws like these going across here. And it's gonna take out this whole panel right here, as you see. So I'm gonna get those 4 or 5 screws out. I'll let you know how many there is. But that's why it wasn't coming out. So one thing at a time, because this has to come out, I think, in order to get this, because what we need to do is get that thing out that goes around here. And then we'll see. Got 229,000 now on it. Okay, we're back again. Got those screws out, which makes this panel lift up. But you gotta take the grill piece out here. It just snaps in. And there's 3 screws here. I'm using this angle piece because it works for me. And it just broke again. Looks like I'm gonna be using some super glue pretty soon. So if you just go with that and keep going. I'll be back to you guys again. So I'm not going to install any of this stuff till I super glue it. So, of course, you're not going to see the installation. We're just going to see if the gauge works. Alright, be back soon. Getting there. So far, this is lifting up. But this isn't, because there is a bolt here and a bolt there. We're getting close. Okay, we should be ready to pull this out. Oh, okay. There's gonna be 2 bolts here. Okay, where is it? Okay, there's 2 bolts. There's a bolt there, and a bolt under there. Okay? Oh, and then I missed a couple bolts. There's one here, one here, one here. I think that's it. Okay, so little bits at a time. I'll get back when I get those 2 out. We should be out then. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay. Whoops. This is a 2-handed job. So, I'm going to need to unplug the plugs there and do them there. And then it's going to be 4 bolts that hold it in. And then we're going to need to put it in the lowest position, drop it, and go from there. This would probably be the best time to actually take a look at the radio and do whatever you need to do. Let's go on from there. Okay, let's go by taking this out. And I can't catch the screw, so that just makes it even more better. Okay, there's that. Oh, man. Okay, so this is gonna have to, well, maybe I could get to it. Let's see here. Oh boy. Okay, so I'm gonna get to that screw. And 1 down there. And I'll be back. Sorry about the cut, you guys. We're about there. Let's do it. So, of course, we have it in low gear. Put steering wheels all the way down. This thing's been in here for 25 years. And I'm about to take it out. Let's see. Cool. Okay. Let's see here. This little tab right here. Gentle, gentle. Come on, baby. Come on. I really don't want you to break. Why don't you do it on camera for me now? Okay, unplug that, and then we'll see what happens. Okay, we're down to the final last bit. Turns out you have to drop this kick panel anyway. There's one on the side, one down here on the bottom. But now that we're down just to this cable, there's an Allen head that you have to remove, and then this cable goes over this clip right here. So here, oh, let's see where'd it go. There it is. See, it unscrews right there. We're about to find out. Okay. Is it all the way out or something? Yes, it is. Okay. Now, I have to fish that on through, which clips through, and this should there we go. And there it goes. Here's that gauge cluster. All right, now I'm not going to put this fully in. I'm just going to plug it in and hook up the battery. Oh, okay, here. Wrong one. Okay. So now that that's plugged in, let's go give it power. Apparently this hadn't been lit up in a few years, so we're about to find out. And we need to see if the mileage or anything is correct. There's a bunch of things that go into play. No way. Well, it's not reading the mileage, but let's see if the tach works. You know what? What I'm gonna do, let's find out. Sorry about the buzzing. Oops. This is very, very exciting. Oh, no, we'll be back to you guys in a second. Okay, let's do it. We have to know if the, well, not so, oh my gosh, it is working. Holy crap. It's reading. Okay, we need to put this down. Obviously, the BCM isn't working. Okay, I don't have any headlights. So we're just gonna go down the street a little bit. But it looks like it is working. This is super cool. Look at that. Huh. Wonder what the dinging's about. So I am going to have to swap the old gauge cluster in, so I don't have to have this dinging. But it is a nice swap. Boy, it's really weird having that. This is cool. Sorry about the dinging once again. This is awesome. So we're not getting the temperature, we're not getting fuel, and we're not getting oil pressure. Huh. Wonder if that's what the BCM reads then, if it's added. Well, that was cool to find out. So, oh shoot. Old cluster is going to go in after this. That's cool. Well, I mean, not the buzzing, but, you know, despite that, this thing's actually working. Thanks for watching, everyone. Oh, that's because the thing isn't in. All right, thanks, everyone.